Hello. Today we're going to be making fuse bead flowers. They're fun and fast to make. First, you pick a color to go in the middle. Next, you pick a color to go around. Next, you pick another color to go around. And you keep on putting the fuse beads around. Next, you ask a grown-up to help you fuse them. First, you put a piece of parchment paper over, and then your grown-up irons your creation, or a grown-up helps you iron your creation. That is how you make fuse bead flowers.